Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got the CSX train coming. It's got some containers on it. Westbound train on the CN. I'm on Marshall Avenue. Probably not the best spot for this train. Yeah. These CSX trains, they now have a section of intermodal. And the CP tracks are just in front of here. And the CN tracks are at a different level, which is why you can't see the wheels. It rolls lower to get underneath these bridges, because the ramp comes down at a 15-degree angle, I suppose. So the CN tracks need to be lower. These trains don't typically have a mid-train helping unit, DPU. And they're usually about 2 to 3 minutes in runtime. Usually about 30-40 cars the most. And it's about 3:30 p.m. here at Dorval, and this train usually comes between 2 and 4 o'clock p.m. through the West Island. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.